down? So you already did the interior of it?
Yeah.
These are nice, man. Heck it. Bare metal, right? That's crazy. Ooh, got the blinks. We got our rims up here, man. No minds to get done, but you looking good, man. This rim is looking amazing. I cannot wait, man. Tony, yo, what's going on, man? It's cool. You got the bags, man. Bags. These still drying? Oh, okay. Okay, what about the gas tank? What up, YouTube, man? We back at it the next day, man. It is Tuesday, the day of greatness, y'all. We got 3 days left until we are going live this Friday, 3/31/23. So make sure you get in to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway right now. If you have not done it yet, man, y'all know what time it is. We got the boxes in the back. Shout out to the homie A2. He sent me all his paint in these boxes. He didn't want them, so I'm like, hey, give them to me. I'm loading my fresh paint right in these boxes, so I don't have to paint back here everywhere, bouncing around, scratching each other. So that's gonna save me a whole lot of hassle. But shout out to Antonio, man. He done got that thing done nice and clean and wet, ready to go, man. I am amped up. I cannot wait. It's about to be the day of greatness and success because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good, and I know it's about to come together. We got our paint finally done. I'm not gonna lie, we went murder black on the paint. Like I said, I was gonna do a candy purple, but I already got two purples. That's two different colors, and I don't want to overkill it with that. So I did a nice, wet, complete, wet black, murdered out. So everything is going to blend with the black powder coated parts with the purple frame, purple washers, and the chrome Allens. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Y'all gonna love that. It's gonna look very good. But besides that, I'm about to try to hit the rim shop out here. Hopefully get the rims if he's there. He's been busy, said he's been handling his house situation, whatever that meant. But I know how it is with my own situation, so I give my man some time. But we're trying to get everything on the way, man. I cannot wait. I got a lot of packages coming today in LA to my mom, so I'm trying to get all those packages before I head back to the house so everything could be on the way. So stay tuned, man. We're trying to get everything done and complete. I just honestly cannot wait to see these bikes fully on two wheels, rolling and riding, man. I got all the tires, rotors, grips, mirrors, everything is coming in the mail within like the next 24 to 48 hours. So we're literally playing a waiting game. But while we're waiting, we about to assemble these bikes and get it done and get these paints. So understand that, man. We are getting to it right now, sliding the Copart work truck. We got them orders right here stacked up. I'm about to go ahead and get y'all stickers out. We done got majority of all the stickers, keychains and all that out. We're just literally waiting on these last patches and hats, man. I'm about to head downtown and grab these other hats so I can speed it up. So stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. Yes, sir, man. We done dropped off all the orders and packages sent out, man. Y'all got y'all stickers on the way. I know a lot of y'all for sure had to receive y'all keychain stickers and all that in the mail the past couple of days. So I've been doing it every minute of the day. But like I said, we got the hats and patches that's left still coming. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have it this week for sure, man. I'm trying to get everything sent out before we go live. So stay tuned for that. But we're about to get to this rim shop and check out our feet for this our 2019 ROADGLIDE, man. Stay tuned. Y'all about to see what's going on right now. We with the man with the plan. What's going on? I hope he here. Oh, cool, cool. I'll wait for you. Ooh, check him out, man. We in a joint today, man. I'll see what time it is. Yes, sir. We are in the joint. They got all the rims. My boy got all the feet in this joint. Woo! How you doing, man? Where you been at, man? Dude, you got it looking good. I was like, damn, what happened to the machines? But you're cleaning it out?
Yeah, we have to clean it every morning.
Oh, every morning? I didn't even know that. That's crazy.
Oh, it's at the end of the day, it's
For real? Wow. Damn, I didn't even know this slide up. Is this like plexiglass? That's crazy. Oh, man. You got a hell of a process. How's the house coming along? Wow, that's crazy. That is a lot. Dang, that's crazy. That's a lot of fucking metal. See, this is exactly why I need a forklift. I swear, I want me one so bad. Like, this is exactly why I need me one, man.
They're expensive, man.
Nah, you're not lying. They are expensive, for real, for real. But look at what you're able to do.
You could, just like 4 years ago, you could get, you know, a used one for $3,000.
Yeah.
Can't find them anymore.
Nah, you're not lying. I seen one for like $6,500 old and used. And it wasn't even like the best condition. And I was like, damn, I probably should try to get me one from somewhere else. That's crazy, man. They got it going. Got all the hubs. That's sick. Ooh, got the blinks. We got our rims up here, man. He said he got to finish putting the hubs on them. So we got 2 days to come get them. You said you gotta do the hubs on them, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Once we get the hubs, we are gonna be game time, man. Yeah.
Props for the back one. I got some right here.
Oh, you got the hubs right there.
Yeah, these are for the back wheel.
Oh, okay. Oh, yep. And you said these is it? Or that's the front and then the back right here?
The back one is right there, and that's too strong.
Oh, yeah. He got all this in the way. We can't even pull it out right now. But y'all see it, man. We about to have them joints within the next 48 hours. I cannot wait. You got so much stuff in here. It's amazing. Like, I be hating being busy, but I love to stay working, you know? It's dope as shit, though, man. For real. Man, you added a lot of stuff up there now.
Well, that's packing foam.
Oh, okay, that's
I
dope.
always had it, and just sometimes when you're, running low.
Yeah.
It's that stuff right here. See the over there, that insert foam.
Oh, yep.
On those shells.
Oh, over there. I see it now. I see what you're saying. That's crazy. It look good, though.
Makes it easy to pack.
Sit it on there so it's not bouncing around and getting messed up. Now it makes sense.
It goes actually inside of the lip, so.
They cuff it perfectly, huh? Damn, that is cool, though.
Most of the stuff is shipped East Coast, Midwest.
Yep. Yeah, no, that's for sure. You don't got no talent, huh?
I had when I sold
Oh, you sold it? I always have to ask you.
I'm gonna have one.
You gonna have some more? No, I got another bike coming. I for sure need some rims, ASAP.
This one, I just stripped it. Because it had blemishes.
Yeah.
Powder coating, so I stripped it.
Oh, you stripped it back to the metal.
And I'm gonna take it to powder coating, so it'll be.
Dang, that's crazy. Got it completely stripped naked. Bare metal, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Sandblast?
It's not.
Or they use like
no, it's just it looks like this from the chemicals that they use to strip.
Yeah.
Changes the color, but now
That's crazy, man. You make it from this, strip it to that, and then you come out like that. All three processes. That's dope. Cause I swear this powder coat look amazing, man. It's so shiny. I know a lot of people been hitting you up for these bike runs now, cause summer here, huh?
Yeah,
a lot more orders and stuff, huh?
Daytona bike week.
Yep, see?
Happens.
Oh, you said you're doing all those pallets for Daytona and stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. We definitely got it going in here. That's for sure.
Exactly.
Oh, for real? Oh, he watch it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell him, like, if you watching this, man, this is your rim. You see the guy. He told me I could check you out, man, because I'm waiting on mine to get done. But you looking good, man. This rim is looking amazing. I cannot wait, man. He got the fresh chrome, the double rotors, got the fresh Shinko. Yeah, that look good. Yes, sir, man. We just finally left the rim shop. Shout out to my guy, man. I'm hella excited. The rims is looking good. Like I said, they were done on the shelf. I didn't want to grab them down. We really even couldn't grab them down because he had 2 full pallets of wheels on the floor in front of them. But like he said, he about to put them rotors and hubs on, and then we're going to be good, man. So I'm excited. I can't wait. They should be done tomorrow, but I don't think I will be out here tomorrow. I have to probably wait until Thursday or Friday. But we going to see, because I got to make it happen to get this bike done. So just know it's on the way coming to y'all, man. We getting nothing but the best of the best. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We making it happen, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We are sliding. About to get to this other rim shop for the homie. We got our rims on the way. I cannot wait to pick them joints up. But we about to slide out here and pick up these other rims, come back to LA, grab this paint from Antonio. From there, we're going to the house to try to assemble the 2015 ROADGLIDE. So stay tuned, man. I cannot wait. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting it in, making it happen every minute of the day, trying to get into it, man. I'm telling you, I feel it. I can't wait, and I need it. It's coming. I legit have not been here in like a year and a half, almost 2 years since when I first began, and I had my orange and blue bike, and I had broke my back hub after I sold it. My guy came out, I came out to him, and he gave me a brand new hub, painted the same color, matched perfectly. After that, I towed a few bikes here, but I haven't been here in a minute. But today we about to get my boy rims and check them out, so stay tuned, man. I doubt I even show y'all though, because I don't want to ruin that hype. But y'all see what time it is, man. We getting it in, which came on a long drive. But it's all good, man, because I'm telling you, I know how it is, and that's what it's about, helping each other out, man. So we playing a waiting game. I'm about to go ahead and try to rearrange the truck, because I got a lot of stuff in here. I done lost one of my boxes, flew out, so it kind of had me kind of sick, but about to get it going, man, so we can get the stuff on the road. By the time we head back to the city, we're about to get our paint straight from Antonio. I got to pick up my phone from the people fixing it, and then we're going to the house, man, to get these bikes on the way. So stay tuned, man. We getting it in, making it happen, man. Y'all see what time it is. Antonio, what's going on, man? Oh, this is a small car, man. You can't even think in this motherfucker. This hella small. Oh, you got it wrapped up? That's cool. You got the bags, fan.
Okay, the box. On the front of the hood?
Oh, I'm looking at this fucking this bumper. I'm like, this is huge. Oh, right here. Oh, you know, this look good. This a two stage or single? Oh, okay, I'm like, that shit look like the stock paint.
No, this one is.
Oh, okay. Man, it look good. Make sure I got my money's worth. Bags. These still drying?
That's swoop.
Oh, okay. Okay, what about the gas tank? Yeah, this is why I just brought you for Ashton. Oh yeah, because that one had that dent in the bottom.
We're gonna put primer on this car.
Oh, so y'all still gotta paint the gas tank. Yes, sir, we done finally made it back to the house, man. I am not gonna lie. I am so tired and drained from running around the city all day, everywhere, literally, because I'm telling y'all, I already drive hours from my house to out there, so it takes time as it is. So I'm just now getting back at about, let's see, 7:48, man. So we getting back to it, but we got a lot accomplished today. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. We got a lot accomplished, as y'all see. I went to my mom's. We got our 23 tire in the mail for our silver bullet. So we get our rim tomorrow or Thursday. We got our tire right here ready to go. So we are good to go with the front rim. We're just waiting on the back now. But besides that, we got our paint inside of here, our inner outer fairing. We got our bags in there painted from Antonio. I have put it back into the plastic in the box because my truck had a gang of stuff and I don't want to get nothing scratched up. Besides that, we got some more painted parts. We got 2 boxes for the front fairing on there. One is the radio bracket, one is the air ventilation system, and those are the 2 blinker brackets for the crash bar and the fairing. So we got everything for this bike. That's why I say it's game time. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all don't know how bad I want to work on this bike right now. Put everything together for y'all. Like, I swear I usually would go live and do everything right now, but I am so tired. I cannot explain it no other way. Like, I'm about to shower and lay down. I'm gonna just get back to it tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to Antonio to get the last pieces of the paint. I got to get the gas tank, the front fender, and the back fender, and 2 of the doors for the interference. So stay tuned for that. But tomorrow is game time. Y'all gonna see this ROADGLIDE right here looking completely together, just like that one right there. Just give your boy some time. But I'm telling you, we got everything on hand, so it's game time. Only thing we waiting on now is the rims. I got the front rim for this coming in the mail, hopefully like the next day or so. Those rims are at the shop, so everything is about to finally be complete. The only thing I really have to do for both of them is wire the bars, which really don't kind of take no time. So stay tuned, man. I cannot wait. It's game time. We're going live this Friday, so make sure y'all enter to win because I'm telling y'all it's game time. I'm going to probably get in here and unbox everything once I get settled in, but stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding.